Helo, shwmai? Croeso I sesiwn 6, 5 mewn 5, where I'll be showing you how to give simple feedback in Welsh on students' work. Adborth yn Gymraeg, which can be quite easy, it's not complicated. Okay, some words you know already, good, which is da, very good, da iawn, and splendid, bendigedig, excellent, ardderchog. You've got da iawn, bendigedig, ardderchog. If you think of the word work, which is masculine, no need to mutate. Hooray. For good work, you put work first and then the word for da. Very good work, work very good. Splendid work, work splendid. Excellent work, work excellent. So it would be gwaith da. Gwaith da iawn. Gwaith bendigedig. Gwaith ardderchog. So no letter change. Da iawn, bendigedig, ardderchog with gwaith. Something else you could say, if the students are doing an asseiniad, you'd say good assignment, very good assignment, a splendid assignment, an excellent assignment. So you could say asseiniad da. Very good assignment, asseiniad da iawn. Splendid assignment, asseiniad bendigedig. And excellent assignment, asseiniad ardderchog. Moving on, project. It's also masculine. We put that first. Eithawd is an essay and atebion answers. So project, a project. Eithawd, an essay. Atebion, answers. So you could say an excellent essay. Eithawd ardderchog. Splendid answers. Atebion bendigedig. A good essay. Eithawd da. A very good essay. Eithawd da iawn. Excellent project. Prosiect ardderchog. Using the same words and recycling them all the time. So, maybe you've marked gwaith myfyriwr, you've marked the student's work. You could write something like, very good work, Helen. An excellent assignment with splendid answers. Oh, da iawn fi, da iawn, Helen, da iawn. So let's think about it. Very good work, Helen. You'd say, gwaith, which is work. Da iawn, Helen. An excellent assignment. Asseiniad ardderchog gyda atebion bendigedig.